Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add FAQ to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is FAQ. So let's click sign up for free. You want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail, up to you. And when you got it, click login. When you're going to be in applications, you want to write in the search FAQ. And just choose FAQ, create a widget. Right here you can go accordion, categories, you can go with a search. Let's go with this one. Now you just like question categories here, I open it, and you can simply edit the questions here. So I'm going to, is this real life? Answer will be, or a fantasy. So when I'm going to open it, is this real life or a fantasy? When I got it, I can go to layout and again change it to multi-column accordion and change the colors. Now just click save. Right after that, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now it's really simple. You just click add custom empt a widget and just simply copy it and enter the code, paste it, update. And voila, here you got it. So pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm going to make it bigger. And when I'm going to preview it, look at this. Easy, right? So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.